5 seconds. The assessment years involved in all appeals are 1973-74 to 1982-83. According to the full bench, the taxing event is the act of purchase and not the act of dispatch or consignment as held in Bata India Limited Supra. In the premises, it was held that Section 91B as amended was neither invalid nor ultra vires and overruled the decision of Bata India Limited. The writ petitions filed were also dismissed. The petitioner company filed special leave petitions against the aforesaid judgment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, which were admitted in Civil Appeals numbers 116672/85. Goodyear India also filed writ petition number 3834 of 1985 in respect of the assessment year 1981-82. As the notices for assessment and penalty were received after the decision of Punjab and Haryana High Court in Desraj Pushp Kumar case Supra, the said decision was passed in appeal against the decision of the said court in Goodyear India reported in 53 STC 163 number being 1514 NT of 1984. All these questions are the subject matters of these appeals. This provision without making any change in the substantive provisions purports to give a direction to ignore the judgment, in other words, purports to overrule the judgments, namely Goodyear and Bata India, which is beyond the legislative competence of the state legislature, and this provision is void in view of the decision of this court. C. Sri Prithvi Cotton Mills Limited versus Broch Borg Municipali TY 1961 to SCC 283 at 286. For the same reason, applying the main section instead of section 9(1), section 24 should also fail as amended. Civil Appeal number 15/5/84 is also liable to be dismissed in view of the judgment of this court in Die Commissioner of Sale Tax Law Board of Revenue Taxes versus M/S Thomas Stephen and Co Limited Cullen 1988 to SCC 264, where this court observed that disposal means transfer of title in the goods to any other person, and therefore it would not include mere dispatch to own self or to its agents or to its branch offices or depots. In the premises, the decision of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in Goodyear India Limited 53 STC 163 is correct on merit as well. In the aforesaid view of the matter and for the reasons mentioned herein before, it must be held that so far as the appeals in respect of the Haryana Act are concerned, the High Court was right in the view it took in Goodyear India Limited case 53 STC 163, as well as the views expressed by the High Court in Bata India Limited versus the state of Haryana and ANR 54 STC 226 are correct and are affirmed. The views of the High Court expressed in Desraj Pushpakumar Gulati case Supra are incorrect for the reasons mentioned herein before. The last mentioned judgment and the judgment and orders following passed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court are therefore set aside. In the premises, civil appeals numbers 116672/85 M/S Goodyear India Limited versus State of Haryana and ANR civil appeal number 117377 NT/85 Gidor First Private Limited versus State of Haryana and ANR civil appeal number 2674/86 MS Culvinator of India Limited and ANR versus Haryana and ORS civil appeal number 1633 NT/85 FCI versus State of Haryana and ANR and civil appeal number 3033 NT/86 FCI Karnal versus the State of Haryana and ORS are allowed and the judgment and order of the High Court are set aside.